Abris Outdoor Limited, located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, is a professional outdoor product manufacturer focusing on quality. Our products include all kinds of tents, pet-related products, kids-related products, covers, etc. OEM and ODM orders are always welcomed. Incoming material inspection, process inspection, and final inspection are conducted for quality assurance. We have good relationship with our suppliers, which help us shorten lead time with qualified products. If you are interested in any of our products, please feel free to contact us for more details. We will do our utmost to offer great products and service. Choose Abris. Choose a good partner.